So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off in the boot area of the vehicle first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see that we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 54,504. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. We've got various different menus available up here as well. And you can see me cycling through those back round to the beginning again. And all of that is done with the buttons over here. We have our stereo controls here as well. They continue on the left-hand side, along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. Into the center, we have the main touchscreen. So our radio options, DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do so in a number of ways, and they include Bluetooth audio and auxiliary input up on here. You can pair your phone, of course, in order that you can make and receive phone calls and use that Bluetooth audio. And we have satellite navigation over on this side as well. A couple of other menus, including your main menu, where you can access all of these things using this dial. One of which is App Connect. And on here you can see, depending on the phone you've got, we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay available as well. Below that, we've got our air conditioning. You can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. We've also got heated driver and passenger seats, both of which have 3 separate heat settings each. Below that, we have some storage inside there. We've also got a USB input in there as well. The automatic gearbox, you can turn your parking sensors on and off. You can turn off the stop and start. And you can change the driving setup of the car. So any of these, individual is where you can customize your own settings. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come